Welcome to my channel, children. Today I give you notes for the chapter Rural Development. This is useful for the 10th standard students. First question is what is the meaning of rural development? Rural development is improvement of the social and economic status of the rural people by proper utilization of the local available natural and human resources. Next, second one is what is meant by decentralization of power? Providing the administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to its own people is known as the decentralization of the power. Next, third question is name the three levels of Panchayat Raj institution. The three levels of Panchayat Raj institutions are Gram Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat and Jilla Panchayat. Next, fourth one is mention any two housing programs. The two housing programs are Indira Awas Yojana, Ambedkar Valmiki Housing Program, Ashraya Yojana. Next, which work of women is not considered as labor? The chores that women perform at home are not considered as a labor. Next, main is answer the following questions in 5 or 6 sentences each. First question is how is the economic situation in the rural areas of India? Poverty has increased among the rural people who depend primarily on agriculture. One third of them live below subsistence level. Under the onslaught of modernization, rural cottage industries are vanishing, unable to withstand the competition. Though 60% of the people work in the primary sector, the contribution from this sector to the national income is very less and is reducing year by year. Due to this, the gap between urban and rural areas is increasing gradually. Second question is explain briefly the significance of rural development. The problems of villages should be tackled through rural development and rural India should be empowered. Various basic facilities like education, training, health, hygiene, etc. should be provided to the rural people. In addition to agriculture, cattle rearing, fishery, silk industry, poultry and other agricultural related activities should be a deplorable lack of basic amenities can be noticed in rural areas. Rural people should be provided with essential facilities like electricity, irrigation, transport, communication, market ads, etc. and their productivity should be augmented. Instead of sending the raw agricultural produce to the cities and selling them, they can be processed in the villages itself and transformed into ready good. Small scale and cottage industries can be improved. Employment opportunities has to be created in the rural areas. The facilities and opportunities that are available to people in urban areas should be available to people in the rural areas too. The villages should be able to participate in the process of development. The benefits of development should be available equally to them too. Next, third one is explain Gandhiji's concept of Grama Swarajya in the light of decentralization. Providing the administrative power and responsibility of developing the villages to its own people is called as a administrative decentralization. Through decentralization, self-led, self-sufficient and prosperous villages can be developed. This process was called as a Grama Swarajya by Mahatma Gandhiji. Decentralization puts a stop to all kinds of exploitation, upholds human independence and dignity, and nurtures human values like compassion and the cooperation. Next one, what is the role of Panchayat Raj institution in rural development? Enabling the rural people to participate in rural development. They can help to provide the community with basic facility. Panchayat institutions have striven to develop human resources too. More employment opportunities can be provided. Agriculture, irrigation can be expanded. Rural and cottage industries can be improved. Establishment of food processing units can be encouraged. Social and cultural activities can be encouraged. Village arts and craft will get an impetus and The rural culture will get enriched, play a significant role in the overall development of rural area. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.